Good morning, students. How are you all? Students, today I am going to teach you the second chapter of English grammar, that is sentences. Now, first of all, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. For example, the peacock is a beautiful bird. Second example, the sun rises in the east. Both these group of words make a complete sense. Therefore, these are sentences. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. For example, Sam loves ice cream. In this sentence, S is written in the capital form and sentence ends with a full stop. Second example, the children are playing. Here the letter T is written in the capital form and sentence ends with a full stop. Now the two main types of sentences are statements and questions. Statements. When a sentence tells us something, it is called a statement. And a statement always ends with a full stop. For example, the girl is reading a book. Questions. When a sentence asks something, it is called a question. And a question always ends with a question mark. For example, which school do you go to? Second example, are we going to the beach today? Now we learn subject and predicate. A sentence can be divided into two parts, the subject and the predicate. The subject names who or what the sentence is about, and the predicate tells us what the subject does. For example, the children are swimming in the pool. Who are swimming in the pool? The children. So the children here is the subject. Are swimming in the pool is the predicate. Second example, the elephant lives in the forest. Here, who lives in the forest? The elephant. The elephant here is subject and lives in the forest is the predicate. Okay students, thank you.